Good afternoon, dear students. So this one, I'm going to start the chapter. Okay, yesterday's questions. Okay, I'm going to continue the yesterday's questions. So yesterday we have done up to number six, up to number 5 we have done it. Okay, so today we are going to do from 6 to 10 probably. Okay, so if we get the time, so we'll do up to number 10. So in question number 6, so we can see in a survey 120 students. 120 student means it is NU. Okay, the total is always represented by NU. 60 drinks milk, that means NM is 60. 50 drinks curd, that means NC. Okay, so NC, curd is represented by C. Milk like M le denote garne. Curd vaneko dahi. So okay, C is denoted by, curd is denoted by C. And 50 students drink milk as well as curd. Milk pani khन्छ, curd pani khन्छ. Dudh pani khane, dahi pani khane. Okay, so we are also in the same category. We drink both the things, milk also, curd also. So if they drink both भनेपछि we need to remember both means intersection. Okay, so both means intersection. So now after that, so in question number 1, it is said that draw the Venn diagram. Next, number 2, it is said that find the number of students who drink neither of them. Okay, so यो पनि खाँदैन त्यो पनि खाँदैन. So neither of the drinks. So it is outside the circle. So what shall we say that? Okay, so we say that one as the complement. Okay, so we say the number of students who drinks neither of the drink, it is known as the complement. This one is called the complement. Okay, let us see the figure. Next figure. You can see here. So in question number 6a, page number 18. So NU is given 120. So NM is 60. NC is 50. And intersection, that means so if there is given both, okay, milk pani khane, dahi pani khane, that is curd pani khane. If there is represented both means intersection. We need to remember this, right? Both bhanecha. So they drink this also, that also. Duita khane ho, duita khane bhaneपछि it is intersection. Okay, and number 1, what you are asked to do it? So you are asked to make the Venn diagram. Venn diagram banao are. Okay, and number 2, you are asked to find out who drinks neither of this drink. Milk pani khanदैन, curd pani khanदैन. So यो नखानेहरु चाहिँ कति जना छ त? नखाने means neither. Okay, so if there is neither, the word called neither is written. Okay, so neither भनेर लेख्छ भने त्यो भने के हो त भन्दाखेरि it is called complement. Okay, you can see this question. Find the number of students who drink neither of them. Neither means complement, right? So your note ma pani लेख्छ. So both means intersection, neither means whole complement. Complement भन्नाले so यो पनि पर्दैन, milk पनि नखाने, curd पनि नखाने. Okay, so complement, whole complement. Now after that, here, so we know the formula of NU. Okay, so yesterday also I have told you. So कि त U पछ्याउने कि त union पछ्याउने. So there is no union over here. Okay, so there is NU. So let us use the formula of NU. So NU equals to NM. There is M ra C. That's why M NM plus NC minus M intersection C. Okay, so M intersection C plus. Then after that there will be complement. M union C whole complement. Okay, this is our formula. Then, so put the value. So NU is 120. NM is 60. NC is 50. And intersection is 20. Okay, intersection 20, sir. And whole complement, that you need to find out. Whole complement nikalaun. Let us find out the value of whole complement. Now let us add this and this one and subtract this. So 60 plus 50, 110. 110 minus 20, it becomes 90. Okay, 60 plus 50, 110. 100 plus 10 minus 20, it becomes 90. Now when plus sign go, this will be minus. So 120 minus 90, it becomes 30. And this is the value of whole. This is the value of complement. Okay, so M union C whole complement value is 30 hundo raisa. Then after that we need to add all these things. Okay, so whatever we do it. Okay, so when we insert inside the Venn diagram, we need to start from the intersection. What is the intersection over here? Intersection ka value kahan par dekha sir? So let us see from here. The value of intersection is 20. The value of intersection is 20. Okay, so duita ka value, it is 20. Now, what is the value of m? M was 60, but we need only m. Okay, only m nikalदाखेरि के गर्ने त 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20, 40. So what is the value of c? C is 50. This c is 50. Out of 50, 20 is already written. That means we need to write 30. Right? 50 minus 20, 30. And there is whole complement or not? Okay, there is whole complement. We found just now it is 30. So this 30 is our answer. So after doing everything, I told you yesterday also, so the last days also when we have studied the set chapter, that always add all this number. Okay, so you say you sanga matching hunu paryo and you sanga matching hunu paryo. So 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. Okay, so 90 plus 30, it becomes 120. Is it 120? Oh yes. Okay, so this is our answer. So nu is equal to 120 is our answer. So in this way, we can solve this answer. Okay, so let us go to question number 7. So in question number 7, so those who have come late, please, afterwards I will send you the video. Please repeat it. I am not going to repeat it again. Okay, so please see the video again. So just how much you have missed out, you can see it afterwards. Okay, number 7 you can see over here now. Page number 18. So it's number 6 we have done just now. So look at question number 7, page number 18. Okay, so in question number 7a, it is written, so in a survey of community, okay, 55% of people, here is percentage. So 55% of people like to listen radio. That means NR, radio, the NR. Okay, so it is not started from A, so it is started from R, so NR. 65% like to watch the television. That means NT, television. The first word that should be written as the short form, otherwise we can call it the abbreviation also. Okay, so NT is given how much? 65%. And 35% listen to radio as well as television. That means, so they like to listen the radio also. They like to watch the television also. Okay, so that means it means they watch both the things. Okay, they listen also, they watch also. Duita garne. Okay, so I told you just before in question number 6 also that we have already done it. So in question number 6 we have learned that if there is both, let me show you the clip. Okay, if there is both means what? Both means intersection. If they like both the things, then that is called intersection. Okay, duita chiz man paraune, duita chiz गर्ने, that is called both, means it is intersection. And यो पनि गर्दैन त्यो पनि गर्दैन. Okay, so sometimes your mother or father or someone scolds you, यो पनि गर्दैन त्यो पनि गर्दैन. Oh, that is called neither. Okay, they doesn't do neither this one nor this one. That is called neither, and neither is called complement. Okay, and if someone says that it's eat either chowmin or momo, so you like to eat both the things. Okay, that is called both. Both means intersection. So both means intersection. Okay, so neither means whole complement. Your complement, whole complement is called neither. Okay, so let me show you the question again. Please see the book. Okay, 35% like to listen radio as well as television. That means यो दुईटालाई मन पराउने रहेछ. रेडियो पनि सुन्ने, television पनि हेर्ने, both. That is both means intersection पर्यो. And one thing I've taught you before also, that if there is percentage, okay, if there is percentage and you will not be given, what is the total of percentage? Okay, the total of percentage is 100%. That means your percentage दिएको बेलामा and you कहिले दिँदैन, and you will not be given. We have to write ourselves. Okay, so जब percentage दिएको हुन्छ NU, that means universal set. Total is always going to be equal to 100%. So let us see the answer. Number 7A. Number 6A, we have already done it. So let us go for number 7A. So if there is percentage, okay, you NU भनेर question मा कतै mention गरेको थिएन. But we need to know that if the question is given in percentage, look at the note. If the question is given in percentage, then NU is always going to be equal to 100%. NU जहिले पनि 100% हुन्छ. Okay, so how many of them like to listen radio? 55%. How many of them like to watch television? 65%. Okay, so this was given in the question. Okay, number 7 question in your book. Okay, so from your book you can see this 65, 55, and there it was written that so 35% like to listen radio also, like to watch television also. That is 35% is the intersection. Okay, if they like to do both of them, then that is called intersection. Intersection is 35%. And what you are asked to find out? So draw the Venn diagram and find out. Okay, so let us see the question once more again. Number 7. Now what we are asked to find out? So the above information in Venn diagram. That means we need to show it in the Venn diagram. I'm last time. Okay. And number 2. So the find the percentage of people who do not like to listen radio. Do not. That means neither. दुईटा मन नपराउने. Okay. बाबु फर्सी खा त्यो मन पर्दैन. बाबु सिद्रा खा सिद्रा पनि मन पर्दैन. Okay. This is called complement. Okay, so that is called complement. Somebody, they like both the things. Okay, so they like Gundruk also, they like Sidra also, they like Farsi also. They are called, so those who like all the things, both the things, that is called the intersection. Who doesn't like anything, that is called complement. Okay, remember in that way. So who do not like to listen radio and television? You mobile okay, that's why they doesn't like to listen radio also, they doesn't like to watch the television also. That means it is complement. Okay, so what is the value of complement? That you need to find out. Okay, so complement nikala hare. So NU is given. NU equals to NR plus NT plus intersection. Okay, plus R union T whole complement. Okay, so this formula we know it maybe. Okay, so NR plus NT minus R minus so R intersection T plus R union T whole complement. Now put the value. Just put the value. So NU is 100. Okay, so so let me repeat again. So this NU, if the question is given in percentage, 100 will not be mentioned anywhere in the question. 100% भन्ने कतै पनि दिएको हुँदैन. So percentage दिएको बेलामा NU को value 100 नै हुन्छ. You need to write down yourself. It will not be given in the question. So NU will be 100, NR is 55, NT is 65, intersection is 35. And complement, okay, so complement is not given, that you need to find out. Is that okay? So it is 100%. So 55 plus 65, it is 85. Sorry, so 55 plus 65, it becomes 110, 120. It becomes 120, and minus 35, it becomes 85. Okay, it becomes 85. So let us add and subtract it. It becomes 85. Okay, so there is plus sign. So let us take this number this side. So plus becomes minus 100% minus 85%. It becomes 15%. Okay, and like before also, like before question, like the previous question. So what do we need to do? So we need to make the Venn diagram, because Venn diagram is asked over here. Suppose if Venn diagram is not asked, then also you need to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram तिमीहरुले बनाऊ, किनभने Venn diagram बाट तिमीहरुको answer right हो कि हैन, that you can find out. Okay, so NU is 100. So when you make the Venn diagram, always start from the intersection. Intersection is 35. So let us write an intersection as 35. Intersection 35. Okay, so R कति हो त? R is 55. So if R is 55, this circle is 55, then 55 minus 35, it becomes 20. Subtraction गरेको है, 55 minus 35, it becomes 20. So T, 65 minus 35, it becomes 30%. Okay, and the complement, what is the value of complement? 15%. Okay, after making the Venn diagram, I told you just before also, किन Venn diagram बनाउने? Because it will show whether our answer is correct or not. Add all the numbers. 20 plus 35, 55. 55 plus 30, it becomes 85. 85 plus 15, it becomes 100. Is the value of NU as 100% or not? Okay, so this means that our answer is correct. Okay, so if there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so without wasting our time, so let me go for the next question. Okay, so let us go to question number 8A. 8A. So in question number 8A, it is given that in a class of 60 students, that means total students, jamma kati jana students, 60 of them are there. That means this is NU, isn't it? In a class of 60 students, that means NU is 60. 40 students like to play cricket, NC, isn't it? Like to play cricket means NC equals to 40. 30 like to play volleyball, that means NV equals to 30. Okay, so NV equals to 30. Also, each student like to play at least. Once upon a time, when I taught this set chapter, I told the meaning of this at least also. At least. Okay, if there is at least, then it means like this. Okay, so let me show you the figure. Which one? Number 8A. So if there is given at least means union. Okay, at least means जो part लेको छ सबैले केही न केही गरेकै छ. Okay, at least means so those who are participating, those who are in class 8, okay, class 9, you are class 9 right now. So those who are in class 9, they are participating in any one of the ECA. Okay, ECA मा कुनै न कुनै पार्टमा त भइरहेछ. कोही कोही के गरिरहेछ, बास्केटबल खेलिरहेछ, स्किपिङ पनि खेलिरहेछ. Okay, so somebody is dancing only, somebody is playing TT only. So यसरी केही न केही चाहिँ खेलेकै छ अरे. Nobody is there who is not playing anything. Okay, they are doing something, they are involved in some activities भनेको त्यसलाई भन्छ at least. Okay, at least means they are playing at least कम्तीमा एउटा गेम चाहिँ खेलेकै छ अरे. That means they are playing. Okay, so all of them are involved in, nobody is there who is not doing anything. That means there is no complement. At least भन्ने शब्द आछ भने के याद गर्ने, there is no complement. That means complement equals to 0. है, complement के छ अरे 0. त्यो एटलिस्ट भनेको युनियन, युनियनमा के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि सो कम्प्लिमेन्ट के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ. रिमेम्बर दैट वन. ओके, सो NU इज 60, NC क्रिकेट खेल्ने 40 जना, भलिबल खेल्ने 30 जना. एटलिस्ट दे आर प्लेइङ one of the game. Okay, that means if they are playing at least one game, that means complement equals to what? Complement के हो 0. That you need to write on yourself, right? This is the logical question. So at least means the complement is 0. And what you need to find out? Find the number of students who like both the games. Let me show you the question again. So at least one of the game, and how many students like to play both the game? Both means intersection. Okay, both means intersection. Number of students who like to play both the game equals to question mark. That is our question. Now let us use the formula again. So there is no union, there is universal set NU. So let us start from NU. Others, instead of NU, you can write down C union V also. Kina union लेख्नु पाइन्छ त? Why we can write down union? Because there is no complement. Complement छैन. किनभने in case of union, the formula of union मा के छैन? Complement हुँदैन. Do you remember or not? And A union B. What is the formula of A union B? NA plus NB minus A intersection B. There was no complement. Do you remember the formula of union or not? Okay, there is no complement. That means complement is 0. There is no complement. Okay, so NU is 60, NC is 40, NV is 30. Intersection nothing. Okay, so it is not given right now, and complement is 0. Complement is 0. Numbers, so 30, 40, 70 plus 0, 70. So let us take number 70 this side, otherwise you can take 60 this side. Minus that plus, it becomes plus. 60, let us send this side, it becomes minus. Okay, so it is already in minus, so किन minus मा राख्ने भनेर minus लाई त लगाएर plus गर्ने, 60 लाई त लगाएर minus गरिदिने. That is what is the value of C intersection V. Okay, so it is 70 minus 60, it is 10. Okay, so intersection, the value of intersection is 10. And while drawing the Venn diagram, always we need to remember, we need to start from intersection. Of 30, 10 is already written, that means it is 20. And I'll give 30. If there is at least, there is no complement, that is complement 0. So outside this circle, no need to write down any number, because why to write down 0? 0 is also a number. Okay, 0 pun no let me. Okay, write nothing. Okay, do not write down anything outside the circle, because complement gets a 0. So there is no complement. Okay, so in this way, we will complete our question number 8A also. If there is any problem, you can turn on your mic and you can speak. And I didn't get the homework except Faisal. Is there any problem? Okay, so let us go to question number 9. Okay, question number 9. In a group of 300 students, that means NU is given 300. Okay, this is the total number of students. So NU is 300. Like football or volleyball, and 204 like football game. That means NF. Okay, so number of students who like to play football is 204. And 180 like volleyball game. That means NV. Okay, so NV is 180. So draw the Venn diagram and find how many students like both the game. Both means what? Both means it is intersection. Okay, both means intersection. And so that means what are the two alphabets? F, next one is V. That means, so F intersection V equals to question mark. So how many students like only football? That means N only F. Okay, so hope you know the abbreviation of this one also. So how many students like only football is the question number 2. And question number 1, how many students like both the game? That means intersection also you need to find out. Okay, intersection pata lagao hare and only pani pata lagao hare. Okay, so let us go to question number 9 and start solving the answer of question number 9. So here it was written or. One more thing, let me explain you. If you see the question properly, in the group of 300 students who like football or, there is a sentence called or over here. So or bhancha bhane, it is also like at least or. Okay, or means also at least. That means this is also called union. Okay, so this is also called union. F union V. We can write down NU also as 300. Okay, 300. This is NU and whole complement. That means F union V whole complement equals to 0. Okay, we can go either in these two ways. Either write down this as whole union, otherwise you can write down this as universal set also, NU also, no problem. Okay. Then let me show you question number 9A. So, okay, I have written in this way. Either you can write down like this also, and U equals to 300 also you can do it. Okay. So universal set lecture one is a complement 0 and defaune. Okay, so let us write down in this way. So or means union, at least means also union. That means there is no any complement. So F union V is 300 and F is 204 and V is 108. Okay, so maybe this is not the union, this is the intersection over here, both again. Okay, so make it this one. So F intersection V equals to question mark. Okay, so F intersection V equals to question mark, and only F equals to question mark. These are the two questions that you need to ask, that you are asked. Okay, you are asked to draw the Venn diagram also. Number one. Okay, so I told you just before also that we need to see only two formula, either NU or union. Okay, so there is no universal set. I think you can go by universal set also. Okay, complement zero lekhera, we can do by that method also. Otherwise, you can go by this formula also. So F union V equals to NF plus NV minus F intersection V. Just two differences, only one differences between union and NU is there is no complement over here. Okay, so union ma complement hundaina, NU ma चाहिँ complement हुन्छ. Complement hundaina भनेको NU, so complement is 0. Okay, ल. So union is 300, right, and 300, NF is 204, NV is 108, and intersection we need to find out. Okay, so this is intersection. Okay, that you need to find out. So add these two numbers. So 204 plus 180, it becomes 384. Okay, so after that minus, it goes this side, it becomes plus, and 300 it goes this side, it becomes minus. So 384 minus 300, okay, it becomes 84. It becomes 84. Okay, that means intersection is how much? 84. And if what is the value of only F then? What is the formula of only F? The value of only F is NF. Okay, only means always subtract with intersection. Only भनेपछि intersection सँग minus गर्ने. Look at here. So only F means only F equals to NF minus F intersection V. Always remember. So only C भनेको something minus intersection. Okay, so and only C means NC minus, so त्यसको intersection सँग minus गर्ने. Always subtract with intersection if there is only. So NF is how much? 204. 204 minus intersection is how much? Intersection. Did we get the value? Okay, we got the value. So it is 84. So 84. So subtract them, you'll get 120 as your answer. Okay, so only F, that means this part. What we should do? We just subtract with only, isn't it? So intersection, isn't it? So त्यही त गरेको नि, intersection सँग minus गरेको 120. So let us draw the Venn diagram. So intersection is 84. So let us write an 84. And F is 100 and 204. 204 भनेपछि, so we need to subtract with 84. So 204 minus 84, it becomes 120. So it's the same thing is given over here also. So only V, this is only V, so that we have not found. Otherwise, only V ka value lekha hunthyo, but we have not found yet. So V, so what is the value of V? So it is 180. Okay, out of 180, 84 is already written. 84 is written. That means 80. So 180 minus 84, it becomes 96. And so just before we have mentioned also that if there is union or at least or that means union is given, that means there will be no any complement. Complement will be nothing. Okay, so anyone planning for writing 0, don't write 0 also. Okay, so this is going to be our answer. So Mr. Ronish, you have come for tomorrow or for the next class? Okay, so let us go for the next question then, if it is done then. So let us go for the last question for today. Question number 10. Okay, in question number 10, it is written that in a survey of 119 students, okay, so there was a survey भनेको, if something, okay, so you need to ask to the students, do you like this one? Okay, suppose we are going to go for the picnic, and so what we need to do, we need to go for the survey that whether you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian, because we cannot make meat for all the people. Okay, so somebody may be Newar or something like that, Brahmin, Kshatri, so they do not take the pork meat. Okay, but nowadays they take everything, but normally they do not take it. Okay, so if you are planning for the pork meat, that also we need to do the survey. Okay, we need to ask detailed information whether they like this one or not, because they have paid something, they are doing something, that means so we need to do according to them also. Okay, so पैसा तिरेको छ भने तिनीहरूको accordingly पनि जानुपर्छ हामीले. So in the same way, so survey भनेको, so that is called the research. Okay, so हामीले के कुरा गर्दैछौँ त, so if I want to do the survey that which type of television you use it, television in a sense that the cable line you use it. Okay, somebody may be using the Dixom, somebody is using the Sim TV, somebody is using the different things. Okay, so I don't know the all the names over here. Clear TV maybe there. Okay, so कसले कति के use गर्छ त. Okay, that is called the survey. Okay, so in a survey of 119, so that means 119 students were asked this question. Okay, so this question was asked. So what was the topic? So के कुरामा के कुरा चाहिँ सोधेछ त भन्दाखेरि, so it was found that 16 drink neither Coke nor Pepsi. That means who like Coke, who like Pepsi भनेर यसरी सोधेको थियो अरे. Okay, that was a survey, and in that survey, so what it was found, 16 people like nothing. Coke पनि नमन पराउने, Pepsi पनि नमन पराउने. That means they like Fanta or they doesn't like anything. गुलियो मन नपराउने होला कि. Okay, so त्यस्तो हाम्रो केटाकेटीलाई दियो भने त 2 बोतल हानिदिन्छ होला हैन. So but so it in this survey it was found that out of 119, 16 students did not like any of these drinks. Okay, so they didn't like Coke also, Pepsi also. So neither means what? It is called complement. Neither means complement. Okay, so those who have come late, please see the video afterwards. I'll send you. Okay, so 69 drink Coke, that means NC is 69. 39 drink Pepsi, that means NP is 39. So neither means complement, NC, NP. So how many students like Coke only? That means only C. You need to find out. Okay, Coke matre khane ko hota, only C. That means we normally do not take Pepsi because Pepsi is not available in Dharan market nowadays. Okay, Dharan ka market mein Pepsi hotta bata paunदैन. That's why we take mostly Coke instead of Pepsi. Okay, but in some of the countries they prefer Pepsi instead of Coke. Okay, so how many students like Pepsi भनेर only Pepsi पनि निकाल्ने अरे, and only P and 0 P. Okay, that you need to find out. And next thing, what you need to find out, so the information in Venn diagram that we need to do it. Okay, so त्यो त हामी पत्ता लगाइहाल्छौँ. So this is the solution for this one. Okay, so NU is 115. So neither Coke nor Pepsi. That means it is 6. It was 16. So Coke it is 69. Pepsi it is 39. Okay, so only Coke निकाल्ला अरे. Okay, only Pepsi खाने निकाल्ला अरे and Venn diagram बनाऊ अरे. Okay, so one thing. Tell me what is the formula of only C? We cannot use NU now. NU निकालेर हामीले भक्काभक answer निकाल्न सक्दैन अब. Now the question has gone to the next level. It has gone very far now. Okay, so we cannot find only C directly now. So what do we need to do? So first of all, let us see what is the formula of only C. Only को formula त के पो हुन्थ्यो? Okay, so NC minus C intersection P. Okay, intersection सँग minus गर्नु पर्थ्यो. Do you remember or not? Okay, so only F. What is the formula? And F minus F intersection B. That means we need to subtract with intersection. दुईटा word के छ? F र C छ, F र V छ. Okay, F र V को intersection सँग minus गर्नु पर्थ्यो. Okay, so in the similar way, if there is only, we need to subtract with the intersection. Okay, what are the two words that will be given in the question? C and P is there. C intersection P. Okay, So complements intersection minus garne. But is there intersection or not? Oh my god, there is no intersection. Okay, so what we need to do first? So to find only C, we need intersection also. Okay, so intersection is missing. So let us find out the intersection first. Okay. Oh yeah, question ma चाहिँ अलिकति twist गरिदिएको छ. We cannot find out only C. यता intersection निकाल अनि only निकाल भन्ने छैन यता. Directly only C निकाल भन्ने छ. That means to find out only C, intersection is needed and intersection हामी यसरी पत्ता लगाउँछौँ. So NU, let us use the formula of NU because there is no union. So let us use the formula of NU. So there are two alphabets C and P now. So NC plus NP minus C intersection P plus C and P whole complement. Okay. So let us put the value. NU is given 119, NC 69, NP 39. Intersection. Okay, we don't have the value of intersection. Let us write down as it is. Plus complement. Where is the complement? Okay, it is 16. So add the numbers. So 69 plus 39 plus 16, it becomes 124. Okay, so either send this 124 this side in the minus form, otherwise take this 119 this side. Okay, minus type and 119. Okay, so you can do anything. So here 124 I have sent this side. Okay, so plus becomes minus 124. So 119 minus 124, it becomes 105. Okay, so when you subtract this one, it becomes minus 5. Equals to, there is also minus, so let us write the minus NC intersection P. So minus and minus will be cancelled. So what is the value of NC intersection P? So the value of intersection will be 5. Okay, set chapter ma minus ma value आउँदैन है. Remember that. Somebody may be taking out the value of intersection, union or complement as in the form of minus. Minus हुँदैन. So minus 5 people take coke. Okay, so it is not possible. So in case of set, we always write down the whole number. Okay, 0 पनि हुन सक्छ कहिलेकाहीँ, तर minus हुँदैन. Remember that. Set, the answer of set is never in minus. Okay, it will not come in minus sign. Okay, so now let us go to our main question. So only C. What is the formula of only C? So only C means NC. Only P means NP. Okay. So whenever there is only, we need to subtract with intersection. Here also look at here. So here also we have subtract with intersection. Yeah. So here is C and P. So C intersection P. Otherwise you can add P intersection C also. No problem. So I the P intersection C like okay, no problem. Okay. So अगाडि पछाडि जे लेख्दा नि भयो. Then NC minus N in C intersection P. So what is the value of C? C is 69. 69 minus intersection is how much? Intersection is okay. So we got 5. So let us write down 5. 69 minus 5, it becomes 64. So only P. Okay, only P we need to find out. So only P means NP. NP minus intersection. So what is the value of only NP? NP is 39. 39 minus intersection is 5. Okay, 5. 39 minus 5, it becomes 34. Okay, so Venn diagram banana tarika त्यही नै हो. So let us start from the intersection. 5 sir. Okay, intersection is 5. What is intersection? Okay, intersection is 5. First of all, listen. Instead of copying, listen. So intersection is 5. Then after that, C is almost 69. 69 minus 5 got that 64. Otherwise, this is called only C. What is the value of only C? 64. Directly you can write down. Okay. So what is the value of P? 39. So out of 39, 5 is written. That means 39 minus 5, 34. Otherwise, you want to go to only P. What is the value of only P? Only P value 34. Okay, 34. And complement is 16. So let us start on 16 and add all this number. 64 plus 5, 69. 69 plus this one plus 16. Okay, so all together it becomes how much? 119. Okay, add all this to one, it becomes 119. If it becomes 119, then answer is correct. If the answer is if the addition of these numbers is not equal to 119, then your answer is wrong. Okay, so these are the things. Now tell me if there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so do up to number 10. Okay, so yesterday from question number 2 to 5 we have done it, but I've just got the answer from one person only. Please send me the remaining answers along with question number 10 also, up to number 10 also. Okay, so please do all the answers up to number 10. So AA portion I have done it. So do the BB portion. Okay, and if you know other question number 11, 12, 13, okay, you can try it. You can complete this chapter because we have already done this chapter before. We are just revising this one. So previously we have done from the unseen question. Okay, so आफै बनाएर दिएको थिएँ तिमीलाई नयाँ नयाँ क्वेशन दिएको थिएँ. Now I have done it from the book itself. Please do it in the fair copy. Eh? Okay, so this was for today. Please drop number 10. If there is any problem, you can ask me in the messenger and all. Okay, so you can underline this line and you can tell me, so this thing I have not understood, please explain me. I will explain you all. Okay, bye bye.